Welcome to the week in the life living in Amsterdam. I need to get a new eyebrow pencil and some heat protectant, so we're gonna go shopping together in the mall. So come along with me. I'm at the Moroccan oil section and I just like can't find the heat protectant, only had the tester. And I can't find, there's no like Sephora's or Ulta's here. And so I'm just kind of like walking around the whole mall trying to see where everything is, where I should be looking, you know what I mean? We'll see. So far, no luck. I'm going back down to the front, back to like where all the beauty stuff is, because I didn't really see like what I would typically reach for beauty, but I'm just gonna double check. Maybe I just overlooked it and didn't see it, but I'm hoping there's at least an eyebrow pencil. As I was editing this, I realized that I didn't end up showing you guys that I did get the two products I was looking for. I ended up just getting the Morphe eyebrow pencil because the lady was trying to sell me the Charlotte Tilbury one for 30 euros, which that's like 40 bucks in the States, and I just cannot justify getting an eyebrow pencil for $40 when you can go to Morphe and get this for like 10 euros. And it's just as good. For things like eyebrow pencils, I think spending 40 euros is a ripoff, because I have used Morphe eyebrow pencils for a really long time and they're literally just as good as the Anastasia Beverly Hills, just as good as any of those, and a much more affordable price. I get spending a lot for like a foundation or a concealer or something like that, but for your eyebrow pencil, I really just don't see the justification for it, but that's just me. This was literally the only heat protectant I could find for dry hair. Like everything was like a wet hair heat protectant, and sometimes I decide that I want to comb my hair when my hair is already dry. So I like to have a dry hair heat protectant and a wet hair heat protectant. So this one's the dry hair heat protectant and it's from Aveda, and it was the only one I could find. I went to like 7 different beauty stores and this was the only one I can find. But at least I have the two products I was looking for, so I'm happy I found them. I'm sitting down having lunch now, and I think Keenan's about to come and meet me, but my view is stunning. Please look at my view. Like, I'm so excited for this meal. Vlogging in public really is exposure therapy, okay? I'm not used to it.
I literally gotta have one of them. But the queen?
Good morning. It is Tuesday morning and we're on a little walk right now to go to the grocery store and just pick up some breakfast stuff. I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along so you can see what is in the grocery stores here. Yeah, we're gonna go to Albert Heijn, which is like very common grocery store, and it's my favorite grocery store. They have all the snacks and goodies and just like candies and all of these really good things. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you guys a little bit what a Dutch grocery store has in store. Okay, I am so boring and forgot to film in Albert Heijn because I'm still translating everything, I feel like, and we were just trying to make sure we were like getting all the right things, and there's like a membership you can have where you get like discounts, and so I was trying to make sure that I knew what the discounts were. Anyway, so I'm just gonna give you a haul. First, this is Optimal. They make like protein drinks, but it's like a yogurt drink, and I've never had the flavor mango passion fruit, and mango and passion fruit are like my two favorite flavors, and it is unreal. It is unreal. And then we also got Red Band candies. It's that time of the month for me, so you know I got my sugar fill, my sweet tooth fill. But we got these two bags, fizzy and funky mix. And then we just stocked up on some Kaas cheese and some meats for the sandwiches. And then we got these like cheese roll croissant things. We got 2 of them. And then Keenan got this like chicken.
It's like a little chicken roll thing. I don't really know what it is.
Yeah, it's a little chicken roll. Then Keenan also got like a cappuccino. But that's our little haul. Okay, wait, you guys, I have a little update. So do you remember last vlog I was explaining things that are different here than they are in the States. And I said that when you take public transportation, everyone is very like nosy around you. I was like explaining that, and then literally the other day, Keenan and I are on public transportation. We're on our way home, and this young girl is like staring at me the whole time, but we were sitting across from each other, so I literally didn't think much of it. I was like, oh, whatever, like where else are you gonna look, you know, than like straight ahead. And then I noticed her like grab her phone. Like, she could not have been older than, like, she was young, a young girl. Grab her phone and go like this and lift it up. And in my head, I like see this begin to happen out of the corner of my eye. So then I'm like looking, and in my head I'm like, is she taking a picture of us right now? And then her sister next to her smacks her phone down out of her hand, and I see the phone fall to the floor, and it was of her camera, and it was facing us. So she literally was taking a picture of us, or gonna take a picture of us, and I don't know. And then it was our stop, and so we got up and left, and I will never know what the reasoning behind taking the picture was, and it is killing me inside. I think about it at least once a day since then, and I just want to know why she was taking the picture. Like, what was the reason behind taking the picture? You know, in order to take a picture of somebody like that like openly, you have to like think about it, think about the idea of taking the picture, come to the terms with it, and then risk taking the picture. And I just want to know why. I will literally never know, but I will always think about it. Anyway, and then today, me and my cousin did a little bit of like, she did back to school shopping, and I'm doing, I guess, shopping because I'm not going back to school. I already got my degree. I want to show you guys this cute red sweater I got today. Actually, I'm just gonna put it on for you guys so you guys can see it in its full effect and full form, but I think it is so stinking cute. It has these like gold buttons on it, and it's just like a really cute little like knit sweater. And I already know the perfect outfit that I'm gonna wear with it, but I just thought like this is so European, so cute, and I don't really have just like a sweater I can throw on. I have like that one white one that I wear literally every single day, and so I felt like this was a good to add to the collection since I love wearing them so much. But yeah, that's what I got, my new little add-on to the closet. Good morning, beauties. It is Wednesday today, and I just did my little like nature walk today. Anytime I'm not like out walking in the city, then I go on like a little nature walk just to like be outside, get some like fitness in, you know, because we don't have a gym membership yet because we don't have our place yet, so we're like waiting until we know exactly where we're gonna be. But I just still want to like make sure to get outside, get some wellness going, you know what I mean? There's a really beautiful scenery where I'm at right now, and so it's just super nice to walk around and like be around all the animals and the nature. So that's just kind of what I'm doing.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay.
What coffee are you gonna get?
Cappuccino.
I came back for the mango passion fruit optimal, of course.
Have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's
Hello. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Guys, okay, we got a little pastry deal. It's like a curry thing. I've already eaten a different roll, which I've devoured in maybe 0.3 seconds. The camera used to be on me.
Okay.
Yeah, because it was on my forehead.
Sorry,
Yeah,
I'm
so-
shorter than you. I have to,
No, but
I have the video from like up
I
here.
have a little curry sandwich, so I'm gonna give it a little taste test. I haven't really hit the curry yet. I've just hit the pastry, but here we go. You want color? Curry color.
Can I have a bite?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
That's good.
The food here is truly unmatched. We're back from our little excursion. When I went on my walk earlier, I was listening to this playlist that I've had, but I reinvented it. I've had the playlist since high school, and then just recently I was like you know what, it's really not fitting the vibe anymore. So I like went through it, took off a bunch of songs, and then put on new songs that are more the vibe and changed the name of the album. It's a playlist for the girls, and I'm gonna link it down below because I was listening to it on my walk and it was just like the best vibes, especially the bottom of the playlist, because that's like the stuff I've recently added. I literally can't stop listening to that section of the playlist. I think it's so good. So I'll have the playlist linked down below. I'm an Apple Music girl. I think if you click the link, even if you don't have Apple Music, you can still see it, like see the songs, and then maybe you can just like make it on Spotify or just add the songs that you like. I feel like my whole For You page is just like really negative, like nasty things, and I'm like over it. That I started watching reels. I started watching Instagram reels because I was so over just seeing like drama and beef and like da-da-da's getting canceled for this, da-da-da's getting canceled for that, da-da-da's beefing with this person. I'm like, I literally just want to see stuff that's like inspiring to me, or see content that's like my vibe. Like, I would rather watch somebody bake something in their bakery that they started. I would rather watch a makeup get ready with me, or like a makeup routine. I really don't care about seeing beef or drama. It's tiring and overdone at this point, I feel like. I don't know, I started watching reels because I feel like that's much more of a positive place. Just a reminder that if you're starting to like go on social media and you're starting to feel like drained from it, or like that you're not getting anything out of it, or you don't feel inspired anymore, get yourself out of that vibe, because it's a lot more damaging for our mental health than we realize in the moment. And you have to like take that active step to go do something or find something that serves you better. So that's my little reminder for you guys.
I love that.
Because it was like draining me. Like I was like, I'm actually starting to get a little like I was scrolling too much to try to find something that was like fulfilling or like entertaining, and I just wasn't getting there. So I was like, you know what, actually I'm gonna go do something else. So good morning, beauties. Happy Thursday. It's uploading day to day, and I just wanted to announce something really exciting for you guys so you guys can be a part of it. I am announcing a giveaway today with Too Faced, where we are doing a back to school giveaway and doing a giveaway of up to $250 worth of makeup to one of you guys. How you can enter is you can go down below in the description and go to my Beauty Alyssa Rose Instagram, and all you have to do is go in, and all of the instructions will be on a Too Faced post that will be in there, and it is open for 48 hours. So once this video is uploaded, 48 hours after it, it'll probably be closed. So be sure to go check it out as soon as you can and enter into that giveaway for a chance to win. This is the second giveaway that I've ever done with Too Faced, and I love doing giveaways with Too Faced. It's so fun and such a good way for us to give back to you guys, because you guys have done so much supporting us and supporting Too Faced, and we wanted to give back to you guys. So what better way to do it than to spoil you guys with some back to school makeup. One of the products that I love from Too Faced is this Neutrals eyeshadow palette. They gifted this to me last time we did a giveaway, and I've had the chance to use it. As you can tell, I've literally been obsessed with these two glittery shades. They're stunning. The next thing, I literally cannot live without this bronzer. It's so good. I'm starting to like wear it out. You can't really even see like the letters in it anymore, but it smells so good. Literally smells like chocolate, and the casing is just so like luxe and beautiful. This blush is so good. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, which I really like, because on days when I don't really want to wear highlighter, this kind of just does the job for me. You know what I mean? Like, it adds that little extra glow without having to put any highlighter on. You guys know this is my go-to mascara. I usually use two mascaras, and so I always use the Too Faced Waterproof Better Than Sex mascara as my base, because the curls hold when you use a waterproof mascara. And then I also have the regular Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and these are the two that I'm going to be using today. And then I also have the Better Than Sex Waterproof Eyeliner. This one's so good. So we're gonna do a little eyeliner today. The Born This Way concealer. I love both the foundation and the concealer, and these are so good. My go-to is this concealer. I honestly use this concealer as a foundation right now, because I am trying to go a little bit lighter with the makeup since it's back to school makeup. So I am using this one a little bit as a foundation today and a little bit of a concealer. I don't know if you guys saw my review of these jelly lip glosses from Too Faced, but if you haven't, you guys should go watch them, because oh my gosh, the sparkle that these give. This one's just like a regular lip oil. These two have that glow sparkle in it, and when I tell you, they are club worthy lip glosses. Like, they literally, when you go like this, they shimmer. They make your lips shimmer. I'm obsessed with them, and they taste so good. This one's sour watermelon, and it literally tastes like candy. This lip gloss, first of all, the packaging of this is so girly, coquette. I love it. I literally eat it up. But that's another reason why I love Too Faced, is just like their packaging is so coquette, so girly. This one is so good. It's a little bit of a plumping lip. It's the lip injection lip gloss, but it doesn't hurt. It's like really nice, and it just gives your lips a little extra glow. This is what the applicator looks like, and it's this really nice little neutral shade. These are some of the products I'm going to be using into my makeup routine today. Definitely go check out the video. Go on my Beauty Alyssa Rose Instagram and enter into the giveaway. I'll put the picture of what the giveaway looks like here, and I really want you guys to win some back to school makeup, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I literally couldn't do it without you guys, and any way I can give back, I will, because I really do love you guys. Let's do it. I'm gonna go do this makeup routine, film this video, and I'll come back and show you the final results. This is how the makeup turned out. Don't forget to go check out the post for a chance to win $250 worth of Too Faced makeup. You guys, it's such a steal. You might as well go do it. And I'm a very small creator, so you actually have a really good chance of winning. Okay, you guys, I took all of the pictures for the giveaway, but when this video is up, the giveaway will be open, so go enter. I love you guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and thanks for spending the week with me again. I am so happy that I get to bring you guys along on this adventure of just like moving to another country, and I'm so happy that I have some friends to share it with. So thank you guys for being here with me, and I will see you guys next Thursday. In the meantime, be safe, have fun, love you.